Did you know that chicken feet are one of the best sources of protein and are rich in health benefits for your entire body? They will rejuvenate your skin cells and make you look younger than your age, even if you're 80 years old. Watch the video to the end where we'll show you the top 5 benefits of chicken feet proven by modern science, as well as how to prepare chicken feet broth the right way. But before we start, if you have eaten chicken feet, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. What happens to your body if you eat chicken feet? First, chicken feet help strengthen the body. As the years pass, the production of collagen in the body decreases, which is the substance that works to maintain the health and strength of the body. It has become necessary to consume collagen from food or medicine to compensate for its deficiency in the body. Therefore, chicken feet contain large quantities of collagen, which works to strengthen the bones, tendons, ligaments, and muscles. It also protects you from osteoporosis, joint pain, and all leg injuries. Second, supporting heart health. Chicken feet contribute to the production of red blood cells, which regulate blood pressure levels, thus preventing heart attacks and cardiovascular diseases. Third, supporting the digestive system. Chicken feet contain beneficial nutrients that stimulate the metabolism, which helps the body burn calories and thus burn body fat. In addition, they help care for the intestines. It is worth noting that some preparations, such as chicken feet broth, produce a type of gelatin that helps attract the digestive juices that the intestines need to function properly, which provides you with good digestion. Fourth, strengthening the immune system. Chicken feet contain cysteine, which in turn works to reduce and expel mucus from the lungs, in addition to helping to avoid respiratory diseases such as colds, influenza, and asthma, which strengthens the respiratory system. Fifth, renewing your skin cells. Chicken feet are rich in collagen, which makes you look younger than your age, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and makes the skin tight and moisturized, which delays aging. In addition, collagen works to get rid of spots and marks that appear on the skin and heal wounds. Important warning. First, be sure to purchase and use clean chicken feet that are free of dark spots and burns. These are ammonia burns caused by chickens walking on their own droppings, which can cause a harmful salmonella infection. Clean them thoroughly before cooking. Second, avoid frying chicken feet to avoid the formation of both harmful unsaturated fats and trans fatty acids. Now, the perfect way to eat chicken feet. Bring 4 cups of water to a pot. Add a sliced onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a little coriander and salt. When the water boils, add the chicken feet. Make sure the feet are clean and free of nails. You'll have a delicious and healthy dish. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.